Hello, Cambly learners. My name is Zaytoon. You can call me Zay, and I am a tutor on Cambly. Today, you'll be learning about how to use the word enough. So you might say, I know how, but there are many different ways this word is used. So let's get going. But first, let's look at the examples below to see how the word enough is used. Number 1, he is not angry enough to be mad at her. Number 2, they are not singing loud enough. Number 3, I don't sleep enough. Number 4, is there enough food for them? And number 5, they've had enough to drink. Now, what does this word enough mean? The word enough simply means as much as is needed. It can be used as an adjective, an adverb, a noun, and a verb. It can also act as a pronoun. Now, how do we use it? As you know by now, there are a few rules for you to follow. Number 1, when we use it as adjectives and adverbs, the word enough comes after the adjectives and adverbs. For example, I didn't type fast enough to catch everything. I'm not old enough to watch the movie. Number 2, when we use it with verbs, the word enough comes after the verbs. For example, she told enough lies already. He doesn't spend enough time with his family. Number 3, when we use it with nouns, the word enough comes before the nouns. For example, we don't have enough eggs to make a cake. And do you have enough icing sugar for the cupcakes? Number 4, when we use it as a pronoun, the word enough can be used without a noun. For example, you'll get more bananas. They aren't enough. And do you want some more milk? No, I've had enough. Now, number 5. When we use it as an adjective and a noun, there are 2 possible answers, but the meaning changes. For example, they don't have big enough containers and they don't have enough big containers. When enough is after the adjective, big enough containers, it describes the adjectives. The containers are too small. When enough is before the adjective, enough big containers, it describes the noun phrase. We have some big containers, but we need more. Enough of. We usually only use enough of when it is followed by a determiner or a pronoun, like a, and the, this, that, or my, your, his, you, them. For example, there isn't enough soda to give everyone. And have you seen enough of her work to recommend her? And there's enough of them, so we need to back down. I hope you had some fun learning with me today. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers like me. You can take English lessons anytime, anywhere, right from your phone or computer. Schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.